A guide you to change YouTube channel name on mobile. So firstly, let's go to the YouTube, and changing your channel name is so simple as well. And for that, you need to tap on your profile here, and from there you need to tap on view channel, which is below your channel name. And from there you can tap on the pencil mark here, or otherwise you can tap on your channel. So let's tap on the pencil mark here. Now you could see name, handle, channel URL, description, and all the options of channel settings. Now let's say if you need to change your YouTube channel name, so all you need to do is that you can tap on the pencil, which is in the name. So tap on that here. It will be visible to anyone on YouTube, and from there you can change your name twice within the 14 days, and that will be reflected on the YouTube. I have already changed in the YouTube 14 days window. Let's say again I'm scrolling like this. I can type this and tapping on save here. You could see name has been changed. This is how you could change YouTube channel name on mobile. So if you come back like this, and there you could check that name has been changed. Thank you.